Ability AI, improving soft skills using ChatGPT.
Hi there, this is Dom. I'm with CompuCorps and I'm going to be teaching you improving soft skills using ChatGPT. Soft skills refer to non-technical interpersonal abilities, example communication, empathy, and leadership. These influence how you interact with others and respond to situations. Unlike hard skills, which are measurable and taught in formal education, soft skills are intangible and harder to quantify. Why soft skills are increasingly important in the workplace. There's a difference between soft and hard skills, and the challenge of developing soft skills without hands-on experience. Examples of key soft skills: communication, either verbal, nonverbal, and written. There's emotional intelligence, which is self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship management, and things of that nature. There's also decision making, which includes adaptability and flexibility. Those are important to have because oftentimes in different employment situations, your roles and responsibilities might change, so adaptability and flexibility is important. Leadership and teamwork, making effective decisions in a group. Effect decisions help in deciding different things within the organization. And there's also time management, prioritizing tasks, respecting others' time. How ChatGPT can help improve soft skills. Verbal communication practice. I'm going to share my screen. I'll put this into ChatGPT. Can we have a conversation about, and then I'm going to insert a topic. So can we have a conversation about space exploration so I can practice articulating my thoughts? This you can use in improving communication, so we'll see what it gives us. Absolutely, that sounds like a great idea. Do you have a particular aspect of space exploration you'd like to discuss? Example, human missions on Mars, commercial space travel. So we'll go with commercial space travel. There's other examples too of particular aspects. So let's see here. Pace. A pretty good response. So what are your thoughts on private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, leading space travel rather than government agencies? So those are all private space exploration companies. So do you think commercial space travel will become affordable and accessible for ordinary people in the next few decades? Why or why not? What potential benefits or drawbacks do you see with commercializing space travel? So these are different topics to explore. So we'll go back here. So this is an example that you can use for your employment. Share my screen. I'm gonna start a new chat. Paste that. Let's say, can we do a mock interview for project manager role? Okay, so an example for the interview, you're applying for a project manager role in a tech company focused on software development. I'll ask you typical questions. You can respond as if it were in real time. So let's go here. So interviewer, can you tell me a bit about yourself and your background and why you're interested in this management role? I'll do an example. So I'm a student at university and I want to improve my knowledge of project management. Okay. So it gives me a sample response. So I'm currently a university student focusing on, you would put your major there, and I've developed a strong interest in project management. Although I'm early in my career, I've actively pursued opportunities to enhance my understanding, such as taking project management classes, participating in group projects, and exploring methodologies like Agile and Scrum. I'm eager to deepen my practical experience, which is why I'm particularly excited about this opportunity. I believe this role would provide valuable hands-on experience in allowing me to contribute while learning directly from experienced project managers. So as you can see, it can help you prepare for different interviews that you have. It would be good for you to do. I'll just share that with you. So up here, I have my question, and then I said a little bit about myself. And then down here, it gave me a response that I could respond to in the interview. So there's benefits to working with AI in role playing because AI can act as the interviewer, trying to highlight certain skills and communication aspects of getting work. Mock interviews improves job readiness. It helps you practice and get more comfortable in the interviewing process. And it's important to practice speeches to boost public speaking confidence. So that comes with experience. The more you're in a role where you speak to a large audience or even like 2 or 3 people, it helps you build confidence in that. So the next section is nonverbal communication support. What we can ask is this here. Start a new chat. We're going to ask this. Can you give tips to improve body language during presentations? Posture. Stand tall, maintain straight posture with shoulders relaxed and back straight. Balance weight. Distribute your weight evenly to shifting awkwardly. There's eye contact. Engage the audience. Look directly. So avoid staring. Keep your eye contact natural, shifting calmly from one audience member to another. Use natural movements. Allow gesture to complement your speech naturally. Express confidence. Open hand gestures convey openness and confidence, avoiding or hiding hands. There's a lot of different aspects to body language that you could go over if you want. We'll move on to the next part. Written communication enhancement. If you've drafted this email, can you provide feedback to make it clearer and more professional? That's an example of a question you can ask. Can you help me write compelling cover letter for, let's say, human resources manager? So it would help you create a cover letter. So um, I need to write a report on um, SpaceX. Can you help me structure my ideas clearly? So in conclusion, ChatGPT acts personalized assistant helping you improve soft skills through targeted prompts and feedback. With regular use, you can practice and refine nonverbal and written communication skills in a safe, low pressure environment. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.